Hi, my name is Charles Tran with Live Mobile Technology. Today, in part one of my step-by-step guide on how to install a Sony Projector home theater system, I'll introduce this incredible projector and guide you through the key planning steps to help you set up the ultimate home theater experience. Let's get started. What makes the Sony VPLX-W5000ES stand out? The VPLX-W5000ES is not your average projector. It's a 4K HDR laser powerhouse designed to deliver lifelike visuals with incredible brightness and sharpness. With Sony's proprietary X1 Ultimate processor, advanced laser light source, and true 4K resolution, it's built to impress even the most discerning viewers. And it's not just about visuals. Its compact design and energy efficiency make it an ideal choice for home installations. Why proper planning matters. Proper planning is crucial when mounting your Sony projector. It ensures optimal picture quality, safety, and stability. Using the right equipment prevents accidents, like the projector falling and causing damage or injury. Planning also ensures a secure, long-lasting setup. Here are the key factors to consider. First, room size and layout. It's important to ensure the room provides a distance of 16 to 20 feet from the projector to the screen. This ensures optimal image clarity and focus. Next, screen size and type. The screen size should be between 120 and 135 inches, depending on the viewing distance and room dimensions. This range delivers an immersive experience without overwhelming the space. Then, lighting conditions. Make sure to account for the room's lighting. Proper light control enhances the projector's performance, ensuring vibrant colors and clear details. Finally, connectivity needs. Plan for your HDMI and power connections. The HDMI from the Sony projector should be connected directly to the Denon AVR for seamless signal transmission. Ensure standard power outlets are nearby for all devices. If you like my videos and find them helpful, please support my channel by clicking on the like button and subscribe button. Your support means a lot and helps me create more engaging content like this. Disclaimer. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to install a Sony Projector home theater system. While we strive to provide accurate and clear instructions, installation tasks may vary depending on your specific equipment and setup. If you have any doubts or require professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team at LMT is here to help. You can contact us through our website, email, phone, or social media platforms for support. Remember, proper planning and measurements are crucial to creating the ultimate home theater experience. To better understand the process, I'd like to present a diagram outlining the tools and materials required for this project. The projection screen is where the image from the Sony projector will be displayed. Make sure it is installed securely and at the appropriate height and distance for optimal viewing. At the center of our setup is the Sony VPLX-W5000 projector, placed at a 20-foot distance for optimal viewing. It connects to the Denon receiver, which serves as the hub for managing all audio and video components. For sound, we've placed 5 8-inch satellite speakers and a subwoofer strategically around the room to deliver immersive surround sound. These speakers are wired back to the receiver for seamless integration. The Amazon Fire TV connects to the Denon receiver via HDMI, providing access to streaming content, while the PlayStation 5 is set up for gaming and entertainment. A network cable links the system to the AT&T router and Netgear network switch, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity. The projector screen's diagonal length should range from 120 to 135 inches, with an aspect ratio of 16:9. This widescreen format is ideal for modern HD TV and home theater setups, providing a cinematic viewing experience. Other common aspect ratios, like 4:3 or 2.35:1, are shown for comparison, but 16:9 is the standard for most home theater systems. And if you need any of the tools or materials I used, they're all linked in the description below for your convenience. This is just the beginning. In the next parts of this project, I'll guide you through the step-by-step installation and programming of the Sony projector and connecting it to the Denon receiver. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to respond. Thanks for watching.